Look at that. Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. Long time no see. We've come down to Wakefield to buy a Jeep. Actually, we're getting a Willys Jeep from World War II, 1942, and this is a mad place. This guy has different cars from all over the place. He also imports cars from America. Yeah. Look at that Impala. Massive, huge car. And he collects these buses. And this is the one we got. Really destroyed, but we're gonna do it up. We've got one already, basically. Brilliant. Split window there. We've got all these cars piled up. Amazing stuff. A stag there. Another jag. Impressive. Interesting place. Anyway, see you later, mates, and have a great 2018, whatever you're up to.